Hi, I am Anu from Anu Business Solutions, and today I am going to discuss how we can open a gym in Dubai. So when we talk about the gym is generally is an area which is equipped by a material or machinery which allows a person to make his body fit and healthy. And generally it's equipped with machineries, we can say, which is barbell, jumping board, running area, treadmill, cycling. So all these kind of equipments are installed there. And since in United Arab Emirates everybody is obsessed for their ideal body and people preferring go to gym, and that's why opening a gym is a quite looming venture over here. And we will discuss how we can open a gym in United Arab Emirates and in both jurisdiction, whether it's a mainland area or a free zone area. So let's start it. First of all, we will cover how we can open a gym in mainland area. So when we are opening a gym in a mainland area like in Business Bay side, Dera side and Karama, Dubai, so these areas are comes under a mainland area which is under the authority of Department of Economic Development under Dubai Economy. So in this area we have to appoint a local sponsor. So first of all we have to understand what are the approvals, what are the authorities approval we have to take when we are opening a gym in mainland area. First of all, we have to approach to the DED, which is Department of Economic Development. This is the authority who will issue the license. And apart from that, we have to take approval from the General Authority of Youth and Sports Welfare, because for the gym activity that's regulated by them. So we have to take a NOC or approval from them in order to establish our gym in Dubai. Apart from that, we have to take a Dubai municipality approval from Health and Safety Department, and there are some set of rules also which has to be followed by the investor if he is willing to open such kind of venture. So now when we talk about the license activity or what kind of license it would be in the mainland area, so it will be a professional license, and the group will be from the sports authority, sports group, and the license will be professional. If it is only one person, then it will be a sole establishment license with the local sponsor agent. And if there are two partners in that company, in this case the two partner of foreign expat, foreign nationalities, and plus there will be one local sponsor, then this company will be like a civil company. The legal form or the structure will be a civil company. So this information is about the type of license. And when we talk about the activity as per the DED rules, so it will be like a men's physical fitness club, and for ladies also we can add in the same license, which will be the ladies fitness club. So both activities can be added together under one license, and that would be a professional license. So when we talk about opening a gym, there are some set of rules which has to be followed by a person who is opening a gym in United Arab Emirates. So first of all is the lighting and ventilation. The gym should be properly ventilated and well lit, and there should be sufficient exhaust fans so which can handle the load of entire day. And the main goal is to keep the gym present, even it's used completely throughout the whole day. Second thing, there should be a preparation for the emergency situation, like there must be exit doors, it must be mentioned on the doors, exit gates, and there should be a first aid box in case of any injury or something to any people. So there should be a preparation, and should be a tool for emergency situation. The third one is the qualified trainer. The people who will be as a trainer or personal inside the gym, they must be certified by a Department of Health and Medical Services. So they should be professional people only who are entitled to carry on such type of businesses inside the gym. And there are some other rules we can say, which is like there should be a proper clean and hygiene premises. It must be as per the abide by the municipality and other as per the authorities rules and regulation. And there should be a signboard for no smoking, like at the premises inside the wall they can put the no smoking signboard, which is generally not allowed. And it's very obvious also where the people are doing exercise not to be done all these kind of things. And the last one also, the clothing. It means the people who are doing exercise inside the gym, they must be wearing appropriate clothes, and if it's not appropriate, the gym person have a right to put them outside immediately. So these are some set of rules, we can say, which is levied by the authorities in order to keep the gym a pleasant place. Now there are certain activities which are not allowed to do in a gym, and this is as per the authorities rules and regulations. Suppose we can brief out some points which is should not be done and strictly prohibited, not to allowed in a gym area. So the number one is no medical or physical treatment should be given under the gym. And second thing, no equipment should be established in the gym area for like diagnosing of ultrasound and X-ray. So this type of equipment should not be allowed there. And person who have an infectious disease, they should not be allowed to enter in the gym. And we can say other rules are also there, like the trainer or that personal is only limited to prescribe the pills and the shakes and weight loss and these kind of diets only. And the male trainer is not allowed to enter in only female specific areas, unnecessarily going and visiting there to interrupt their exercise and routine. So these are some point we can say which is not to be done and strictly prohibited by the authority, and it should be strictly followed as per the rules and regulation of the sports welfare authorities. Now we will discuss how we can establish what is the process and requirement. Now we will talk about what is the process, how we can open a gym in Dubai, and we will talk about the legal requirements. So first of all, the client has to decide the location, which area he wants to open his gym. Suppose he take for a mainland area in like a Business Bay, Hyderabad, Dubai, all these comes in a mainland area. In this case, he have to approach to the DED authority, and where we will submit, he will submit all the required documents, which is generally for the investor is passport copy. If he is on visit visa, tourist visa, then that visa copy. And if he already inside the country have a resident visa, then he must provide a NOC from his sponsor as well as his visa page and Emirates ID copy. And we have to provide 3 names of the gym, which we will be mentioning in the application, what name he wants to choose for that particular gym. So once we submit all these documents, we will get the name, reservation and pre-approval. After pre-approval, since it's a gym activity, we have to take approval from that general authority, Sports Youth Welfare Authority. So when we get approval from that authority, we have to provide that letter also and complete the MOA process, which is signing the documents, MOA like legal documents in the notary. And both, or if there are more partners, then all partners physically must present there in order to sign this legal documents of MOA. And they must have bring their original IDs as well, like passport copy or Emirates ID. So they must bring all these documents as well. And after completing this signing of MOA documents and all, we have to process further for the next step, which is getting the Izari or finalizing the shop or office. So if the person take a shop or any space area, that retail area, then we have to provide the lease agreement or a Izari for that shop, for that area. And after submitting this lease agreement and the Izari in the DED authority, we will get a payment voucher. And after making the payment voucher, our license will be issued, and that will be a professional license, and it will mention the activity of gym, men's and physical fitness club and ladies fitness activities are allowed. So this is overall brief about the process of registering a company for a gym in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. When we talk about establishing a free zone area, then the process remain almost same, but the owner will be there only, the investor itself. There is no requirement of local sponsor. Unlike in mainland, we need a local sponsor as well. But in free zone, the investor will be a 100% owner, and at the same time, we need a approval from this same authority, General Affairs of Youth and Sports Welfare Authority. We must need a approval even in free zone. So it's not like if it's a free zone, we don't need third-party approvals. Yes, it is mandatory, but there are only this authority approval. Other authorities approval like Dubai Municipality and these approvals are not required in free zones. And this is overall process for registering, opening a gym in Dubai, whether it's a mainland or free zone area. And I hope this information is sufficient enough to understand the process. And if you like this video, please like it and share with your friends. And if you have any question related to any kind of business activity, we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.